This completely was the video to get all the details of Indian history GK. When East India Company came into existence, England was ruled by Answer Normans. Where did British first open their factories in eastern parts of India? Answer Odisha. Goa was captured by Portuguese. Answer 1510 AD. In Bengal, the headquarters of East India Company were located at Answer Fort William. First Governor General of Bengal was Answer Warren Hastings. Sati was declared illegal and punishable by Answer Lord William Bentinck. First Governor General of India was Answer Lord William Bentinck, who founded Fergusson College at Pune in 1885. Answer Deccan Educational Society. The first session of the All India Congress held in Bombay in 1920 was presided by Answer Lala Lajpat Rai, who wrote the book Babu Vibha. Answer Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. First English newspaper in India. Answer The Bengal Gazette. Who first translated Bhagavad Gita to English? Answer Charles Wilkins. Who was the Viceroy of India when the Rowlatt Act was passed? Answer Lord Chelmsford. First census in India was conducted at the time of Answer Lord Mayo. Who was the founder of the Indian Association? Answer Surendranath Banerjee. Who introduced English as official language? Answer Sir Charles Wood. First Indian to use the word Swaraj. Answer Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The first Indian leader to undergo imprisonment was Answer C. Vijay Raghavachari. In which place did Satyagraha first started by Mahatma Gandhi? Answer Champaran. All India Harijan Sangha was established by Mahatma Gandhi in the year Answer 1932. Dandi March was begun on the date of Answer 12th March 1930. Who was the first to address Mahatma Gandhi as the father of the nation? Answer Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was considered as the chief architect of Taj Mahal? Answer Ahmad Lahori. Which farm established by Mahatma Gandhi in Natal, South Africa? Answer Phoenix Farm. Who was the English ambassador who get permission from Jahangir to build factory for East India Company? Answer Thomas Roy. Number of years required to build Taj Mahal. Answer 22 years. Mangal Pandey was a sepoy at. Answer 34th Bengal Native Infantry. The Second Battle of Panipat 1556 fought between. Answer Akbar and Hemu. Which is the first fort constructed by British in India? Answer Fort St. George. Who wrote the biography of Akbar? Akbarnama. Answer Abul Fazl.